Welcome back to another episode of Acoustic Music and Things. I am David. Thanks for tuning in. This requested video I've been pretty excited about. You guys have seen my Southern Jumbo, and a lot of you that saw my Eastman video wanted me to do a comparison between the Eastman E16SS, which is a short scale maple back and sides slope shoulder dreadnought, compared to my Gibson Southern Jumbo, which is again very similar to a J45, any slope shoulder that Gibson's put out. Also short scale. There are a few slight differences. The Eastman has an Adirondack top. This is a Sitka stop. The bracing, I think, is both scalloped. Ebony fretboard on the Eastman, rosewood on the Southern Jumbo. Inch and 23/32 nut on the Southern Jumbo. Inch and 11/16 on the Eastman. But they both have a fairly fresh set of strings, the exact same, the DR Sunbeam 12s. But other than that, it's just kind of fun and cool to see the difference and similarities between these two guitars. And I'm not even sure what the current MSRP is on the Gibson Southern Jumbo, but I think it's around that $3K mark. So the Eastman comes in exactly half of that. So, just kind of interesting to see the similarities, the differences, if you can notice a huge sonic difference. I can hear a little bit of something, in the room, but I'm the one playing it. So that being said, let's do some side-by-sides and let me know what you guys think. Well, there's a pretty decent comparison, I hope, side by side. Um, Obviously, through the magic of editing, I'll try to line everything up as close as I can. But let me know what you think. Does the Eastman hold up to the Gibson standard? It's hard for me to say. I really enjoy playing them both. I really do. Um, I find there's certain songs I kind of prefer to play on one versus the other, or it just happens to be which one's closer. Um, you can't go wrong with either guitar. So, again, let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.